I don't wreck shit round this bitch. I ain't never wrecked nothing, nigga. I don't never wreck shit.
Now, Torrance Hatch, I'm just here to report the news. I don't want no smoke with nobody. The furious Louisiana rapper is making his homeboy pay him on the spot after allegedly wrecking his brand new truck. And you'll never believe what Boosie does with the money.
Man, this nigga fuck my truck up, man. Man, that nigga fuck my truck up, man. Tell that nigga I need everything out of his pocket, man. Get that nigga up here, man. Fuck that. I want everything out of his fucking pocket. I need that, man. Straight up, man. Wreck my shit. Stupid bitch. Fuck that. I tell that nigga, get the fuck out my gate. I want everything out of his fucking pocket, man. Straight up. Fuck my truck up, man. Whole fucking truck fucked up, man. Come with my shit, man. Come on, man. Come out your pocket, man. My whole fuck truck. Let me get all that, man. My whole fucking truck fucked up, man. Get the fuck out of my face, dog. I didn't even know my truck was fucked up like that. Let me get that, man. Fuck that, nigga. Sick of y'all niggas fucking my shit up. I don't wreck shit round this bitch. I ain't never wrecked nothing, nigga. I don't never wreck shit. Wrecking my fucking shit. Fuck. Never wreck my shit. Never. Every time my shit wreck is one of y'all niggas. Wreck my fucking shit, nigga. And that 1,500, I'm finna go get that bitch to the junkies down the street. I don't need it, nigga. I'm straight. I'm giving you 1,500 to the junkies at the corner store, nigga. I'm finna let them ball. I'm finna make them a sweet day. Fuck my fucking truck up, man. You're gonna toot my whole front off my motherfucking truck. My brand new motherfucking truck. Stupid ass bitch. That nigga toot my fucking truck up, dog. That got me pissed the fuck off. I'm finna get that nigga money away to the junkies. Where that key thing to open that gate at? Yeah. You see, man, my truck, man, that bitch is fucked up, bro. Look at my fucking truck, bro. Look at my fucking truck, bro. That nigga fuck, man, my shit, man, that bitch is ruined, bro. I want that nigga in the leg, bro. Real shit, dog. Man, they gotta take that everything off that bitch, dog. I should whoop that nigga, man. Stupid bitch. You gonna lie and tell my nigga did a hit and run. Bitch, you a motherfucking lie. Finna go get that nigga $1,500 to the junkies at the store. I'll be back. Bitch, I got money. Show you what your shit going to. Alright. Yeah. Stupid ass bitch. Get your fucking money away, nigga. Leave it open, I'm coming right back.
This is Twan 360. Gonna slide if you with me. This is Twan 360. Go ahead and slide with me. You got the latest on news and all the ratchetness too. Tuning in like what's good. Reporting live from your hood. Like go. This is Twan 360. Like go ahead and slide with me. Good news or bad news, whatever. Ain't even forecast the weather. Hot topics, no one knew better. We tuning in right now like go. This is Twan 360. Go ahead, slide with me.
See no fucking junkies. Come here. Roll the window, open the door. Get that to my boy.
Okay.
Tell him God told me to bless him with that today.
Alright, it's big.
The one laying down. I gave that nigga $1,500 to a junkie. Boy, that junkie so happy. I blessed that nigga. That nigga so happy. That nigga was laying down. And he broke. Now he broke. He ain't got shit. Bitch.